SHOT Show 2024. I'm True with Guns America, and I'm with Jessica at the Colt booth, and we have something really exciting to show you today, a blued version of the famous Colt Python. So Jessica is going to walk us through the features and what we've got going on here. But I mean, this thing is beautiful, if that's the right word to put.
I
the
think
walnut
it's elegant.
grips, elegant. Maybe that's better. Beautiful, elegant, whatever. So walk us through this, Jessica, if you would.
All right. So everyone has asked for so long, where's the blued Python? Where is it? So we finally got around to it. So it is a forged carbon steel cylinder barrel frame assembly. You've got, like you said, 4 1/4 and 6-inch offering. It is a one-piece barrel design with a recessed target crown. And just like our stainless counterpart that we released in 2019, you have 30% more steel beneath that target adjustable rear sight. And up front, you've got a removable or interchangeable ramped front sight. And then, of course, as you can probably see up close, you've got those nice walnut target grips with the Gold Medallion to really throw it back to that heritage and really bring this to like a modern elegance, as you stated. It does have that linear leaf spring action that you see in our modern Python as well as our Anacondas to have a nice, crisp trigger pull in both single and double action.
Are we good to dry fire this?
You are very well. We checked it out.
All right. So you always have to ask first, right?
Of course.
Okay.
And you saw it.
Yeah, this feels amazing. Yeah, super smooth, guys. In both single and double action, feels great in your hand. Looks even better. I mean, I don't know what the light in here is doing to this bluing, but it is basically flawless. I mean, it is a gorgeous gun.
The finish on it is great,
yeah.
Especially for a $15.99 retail price point. It's a beautiful gun.
So say that one more time. How much is it?
$15.99.
$15.99. Now, when are people going to be able to start picking this up?
The good news is we actually started shipping these over a month ago.
Okay.
So that you can go ahead and check out your dealer, check out your realtor near you, and go find one.
So guys, we have a lot of dealers on Guns America. Go get on Guns America, search for the Colt Python blued in 357. Obviously, as a revolver, this is a 6-shot revolver, a handles 38 special.
So that's,
you know, I mean, you revolver guys know all this stuff already, but adjustable sight is awesome. I mean, you just can't go wrong with one of these. So go find a dealer. Now, we're also doing lots of videos here at SHOT Show, so make sure that you're hitting the subscribe button, give us some comments, tell us what you think of this new Colt Python, and we will see you on the next video.